Tell us how this happened.
Well, I was walking. Well, I was running actually,
Why were you running?
because two of the guys I work with were threatening me. And then my cord.
Is that true?
Yeah.
I might have to edit that out.
Two guys are making me feel included. And then my cord was hung up here like this through there, and I got caught in a pintle hook, and it stretched out. And then as soon as I realized that it was getting stretched out, it just destroyed. It pulled out. Yeah.
So we'll get you all fixed up. We'll figure it out.
All right.
Yeah. So.
Man, I really messed this up, didn't I?
Oh yeah, it's chowded. Gonna do it? Are you bending that?
No.
'Cause it doesn't seem like the screw's moving, but your speaker's coming out. Does that gain us anything? Wow, those are nice. Oh yeah. Ooh. What we got in there?
The bundle that he ripped.
Jeez, Milton. Might be able to open that hole up a little bit. Push the insulation further in. And then like kind of glue it there, you know?
If anything, we should just cut the plastic bit.
Cut this up here a little bit.
Well, I meant cut the wire.
Oh. Oh, see, it went right in.
Right in.
No
Little
problem.
spit.
What I would do is pull it through a ways,
Yeah.
and then you can do your soldering, then you can pull it to where you want it, and we'll try and fix it.
I wish we could take this off.
I wonder if we can find a diagram. There's a little clip. You gotta spread it there. It's very similar to a U-joint clip. Don't bend it too much.
I'm gonna bend it a bunch.
Jeez, Bob. There you go. You might have to bend that back a little bit.
Guess we should probably make sure we don't lose any of this stuff.
Yeah. Oh, you did that fast that time.
That's the wrong side.
I gotta poop.
You want me to do it on the wrong side?
That's why it came off so easy. And now this one's gonna struggle. This is gonna be the worst.
You let me do it on the wrong side.
You get it? Nice. He's gonna be foughting all over the flight line. These clips are gonna be all bent out. Well, it was a good practice run. Let's do this one. Just a little John Kelly pry. You know why we call it John Kelly pry?
Why?
He was prying on something in the center equipment bay and slipped and put a screwdriver right through the side of the airplane.
Did he really?
Yeah. He just put his tools down, went upstairs, and confessed. That's a John Kelly pry. So my opinion is this green one and this this yellow one and this green one
Go together.
go together
Yeah. Then the white goes to the white. The black
Yeah.
will just go in that group.
with this one too.
I mean, if you want to put the.
You don't have to. I mean,
And then what about the white? The white, yeah, white,
white and red have respective ones. They go through
Yeah.
the microphone.
green to yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then black just on the group.
Yeah. Mustache shot.
Look at that view.
Oh yeah.
Where'd little Scott go?
Oh, he's over
Oh
there.
God.
Yeah, he's recording.
Freaking weirdo.
Yeah.
Now's the time to talk trash on Scott. He smells like diapers. He's gonna find that later. Oh, look at this.
Hey.
We should
Oh yeah, head supports.
yeah, we should just make them a different one.
Why? This is perfect.
Huh?
Oh, like yeah. Oh.
Look at that definition, bro.
Yeah, I mean, if you worked out, you might get something.
Yeah, you're right. Better be done with that soldering gun by the time I get over there.
Floor.
I got some Call of Duty
This
to play.
guy over here was like, hey, did you wet the sponge? I've been doing solder since he was like
I saw the
teething.
solder. I saw the water dripping off of it. I knew you wet it. I was just messing with you. Too bad you weren't recording.
You got a flux capacitor? Where's the flux? No, the flux. He's
there's
giving
no
me
flux,
all
it's
this
just-
advice about
No,
soldering.
there's no flux. All there is solder. That's why I kept pointing to it. At least I don't know
Where'd
where
they get the
flux
solder
is.
from?
No,
I
there's
don't know.
flux.
It's sitting up here.
It's gotta be flux.
There's probably flux somewhere, but.
Hey, are we in flux?
How are we in flux?
I'm really proud of you. You got your Sally Struthers TV VCR repair certification. Jeez, bub, you look jacked on man.
What is JoJo laughing about?
What y'all laughing about over there?
I'm getting high.
No,
You gotta
we
cut
have-
that out.
We have a well ventilated cross breeze. You can wrap that in a little bit of tape before you get too bogged down.
This little bit that we
There
have.
was some over there actually.
Was there?
This lack of electrical tape that we have.
Look, because I.
That's where all electrical tape. His thumb.
We got that much electrical tape. Y'all see that?
Oh my.
Let me hold this. This is how I got the first piece of
Look,
electrical
you want me to
tape.
This is so dumb.
This is why you needed the first piece. This
Oh,
headset's
get that
gonna
nice and
work for
tight.
like 5 minutes till he puts it on his head.
Well, tell him to go easy on it.
He's a crew chief.
Jeez.
Crew chiefs don't go easy on anything.
That is true.
That's how I slip into this mess. You're a very pretty girl. Danger behind the wheel. Caution signs swaying the wind. But let's go take a spin. Speeding out in the evening air. Break my heart on.
Are we still soldering?
Volleyball.
Well, we gotta do the shield.
Are we gonna do the shielding one?
Yeah, might as well. It's all connected in there, anyways.
Not really. The shield
What is
is different than the black one.
Jesus, that Jets kid tries to tell me one more time about this wire over here.
You know I'm messing
I haven't
with you,
spanked a
right?
kid in a while.
Spanked a kid. Can't show that on video.
Yeah, again.
You can if it's controlled and out of love.
Out of love.
I love you.
This hurts me more than you. Oh, I forgot about his Best Buy certification. What were you saying over there?
I forget what it's called. I haven't worked for Best Buy.
Geek Squad?
No, it's not.
Geek
That's not a
Squad!
certification. But I was part of the Geek Squad.
Geek Squad certified.
No.
Okay, can you push those glasses up your nose?
I'm
Speaking
not
of
wearing
glasses.
glasses.
I'm not soldering. Ah!
You just got something in his eye by putting something.
You have to edit me out spitting. So.
Huh?
Yeah, you're not in a tobacco use area.
I am. I don't have tobacco. I'm trying to lose weight.
Yeah.
What?
Oh, I bet you got spruce gum.
Spruce gum. I just like to spit a lot to lose weight.
Iowa, do they have any spruce trees?
It's like wrestling. Yeah, we have spruce trees. We're not a desert.
Oh, that's where you attach your fences to for your pig farms.
There's a cornfield.
Wait, where are you from?
Iowa is the
Oh,
number
yeah.
one exporter of pork.
No, it's
in the
not.
United
It's
States.
corn.
To drown.
It's not redneck without tape.
And now the main entertainment.
Oh, you just shot.
No, that was a dip. That was
Duh.
a dip.
Did you just get dip spit on?
Yeah.
Not
Pretty
dip.
sure you've had worse being in.
You don't have to say, AKA my wife. All my YouTube subscribers know who the trophy is.
Yes, I
She's
know.
pretty much the only reason why they watch my videos.
Not for long. It's
You're
gonna be
not
me.
wrong.
They're like, hey, put that one guy back in.
No.
He's nice.
We like to laugh at that guy. Put him back on.
He's got such a nice torso.
Not laugh with him.
They're like,
Laugh at
it's so nice of you To mentor the handicapped.
Yes.
So let's go have some fun. Speeding out in the evening.
None of that, but pretty much I dubbed that tape on there. I'm just gonna get it somewhat started, and then we'll test it before we get it completely back together.
I'll be smiling. It's worth it. I don't mind. I don't
You were so close. Did the screw fall out?
Yeah, it's over to the side
No.
now. Oh no.
Okay.
We're starting over. No, it fell in behind.
No.
Give me this. No! Don't move. Don't move.
Use the pliers. Use the pliers. Your fingers will.
Don't tell me what to do.
Spit into my story. Right away I heard Simon's sound. Beautiful and crazy.
Wasn't that
Probably
bad.
like $5 worth of parts and 4 hours of labor.
How much is your labor worth? About 25 cents an hour.
Down the front of your party dress.
Alright, this is what we were struggling with. Those 2 screws in there. Those little scum sucking pus maggots. Well, half of it is that you put the foamies in there to help sound cushion, and so we can hear what's being said around the engines and such.
And all the bombs are dropping.
So the foam is pushing on the wires.
Don't care.
I wonder what we can do to this to make his life difficult.
When I pull from the wreckage, I'll be smiling. It's worth it. I don't mind.
Like that. There's nothing wrong with that.
Cool.
Just placing the clips back on to retain the little swivel thingy.
Oh, goodness.
There it goes.
This one.
Gonna go like that.
And this one.
That one's grooved,
Yep.
so it's gonna go out.
And you gotta put that on. You gotta make sure it's the right way. Yep. Yep.
Huh?
And this one goes, that's grooved. I'll go on the other side.
Yeah, we got it.
And that one's with the screw.
Huh?
Huh? Boom! Headset fixed.
Should we go test it again?
No. Probably. That would make sense. I'll grab my headset this time just to make sure.
Yeah.
Boom! Aircraft mechanics fixing headset.
Here we go. Where's Cassavant? What do you think? It doesn't look any difference. There's like a slight little static to it, but it works. The volume works.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
Everything works. It was a pain in the butt.
Did you have to cannibalize the whole?
Nope.
Nope.
We just soldered stuff.
We soldered wires together. It sucked. So yeah. You're in debt.
We had to listen to a jet troop tell us how to solder the whole time. Might as well have had Eli over there with us. Where is he? Oh, he's not here. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe and click the bell for notifications.